It's falling, it's falling.
It looks like you're camping right now.
No, actually. Alright, Aaron. We're watching Summer Sure and Pretty. We'll get back to you. Yeah, we'll get back to you.
I've already seen it.
Alright, Aaron.
Hello.
We're doing a freaking bonfire, yo. And we're making s'mores. Aaron's making them.
S'mores time.
And this is the incredible fire.
Yeah, you know, I'm just an amazing friend checking off Sabine's bucket.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Okay,
Gorgeous,
these are
gorgeous, gorgeous.
Quite still.
That's okay, they're gonna be melted.
But
Man, this is incredible.
mine has like a wart on it already.
Yeah.
I'm so excited to see the montage of this. Ooh, kind of burnt yours there, girl.
Yeah, I like it burnt.
I like to warm it up to melt the inside and then burn it.
Right. It's falling, it's falling. I've never had that happen. Which one's mine? Does it matter?
It doesn't matter.
Wait, I actually need to look back on the footage to see if I caught that or not. So Aaron has to make hers again.
I've never had that happen. Oh my god.
But this is mine.
Yours sucks.
Delicious. I'm so sorry, Aaron. Okay, we're doing the taste test. Ta-da! 3, 2, 1, first bite. Mmm. Mmm.
Oh. Right. Ew, that feels nasty.
Sorry, I gotta get my David Dobrik lighting.
Ew.
Ew, dude.
Oh,
That was actually good. You got it though.
And it's outside, so like the water's fine. Hopefully I don't take the stain
Look
off.
at the crack. Ew. Ew.
Ignore that.
That's hilarious.
Wait, ready?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god. I never have.
You with the sad eyes. I'm thinking about trolls right now. That's why that song came in my head.
Okay, take two. Take two. It looks like you're camping right now.
No, actually.
I just wanna hold on. Are you getting copyright for that? How do you get copyright? Like, how do you? What is that?
It's like
First bite.
so good.
So much better than the floor.
Yeah, it's yummy.
It's good.
Delicious.
Good.
Okay,
It's like my stance.
I love it.
Okay, sorry. Before the terror. This is Brittany, 12 hours before my shit. So cute, so cute. My hand's gonna work. I just wanna hold on.
Oh.
You're blowing out the flame there, girl.
Sorry, yours is just like kind of looking like it's gonna explode, maybe.
Now we good.
Yours is ginormous. Hello? The difference.
It's just the charcoal.
That's insane. Delicious. Yeah. Incredible.
Wow, you did that with no top gram?
You know me. I don't need no top gram. My gram already on top.
Is you on top? Didn't think so.
Because my gram is. Mukbang. Hello.
Wait. Wait for me. 3. Oh, cheers. 3, 2.
So good.
This is good. 3 chocolate was worth it.
Really?
Yeah.
Rest in peace.
R.I.P. Right underneath us.
Buried right underneath us.
Ooh, ah. Teaspoon.
Dare I say, underrated. S'mores. Underrated. S'mores are underrated. Period.
Oh, I agree.
Right? Because like I never really. Not that I never have them.
Like,
but
you
it's
get the
rare
experience
that I
and
have
the
them.
taste.
Yes.
A little messy, but like, that's the point.
It's about the journey.
You probably get that. So how's your summer been?
It's been really good actually. I've just been there's like some days where I'm just on my phone the whole day, so I feel like I'm like, man, I'm wasting my summer, you know. But
Yeah. Well, that's me every day because nobody wants to hire me. But it's okay. It was insane.
yeah.
Layla.
Oh.
Battery dead.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, gorgeous. Okay, guys, we're out. We're watching Summer I Turned Pretty. We'll get back to you. Yeah, we'll get back to you.
I've already seen it.
I'll get back to you with my results. Hey guys, it is the night after the sleepover, but I am going to officially cross off Bonfire off of the list. So let's freaking do it, shall we? This is like monumental. Oh my god. Okay, oh, not the hair. Ew. Okay, here we go. Bonfire night. Oh, bad. Oh, she's bad. Okay, that's better. Yay! Bang, bang, bang. And if some of you guys are curious why I haven't marked off all of them and I keep saying I have 15, it's because for the other ones, I'm not counting the other ones because they're more personal and it's not like something I can film. Like work, buying my Coach bag, posting on YouTube, streaming, going to the gym. Like, I can't really film those. / those are more personal. So, yeah. We'll see you guys on the next episode of Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, amazing, showtastic, bam, blabulous showdown of summer. Bye!